How to use an agent to help with inventory cycle count using the simple Agent Designer app for Business Central. Hey, I'm Erik, and this video I'm going to show you how we can get the agent to help with working with the inventory. Let me show you how. So here's the ad hoc agent, and let me just ask what's my inventory of chairs? Let me look up your chair inventory for you. So you will now go and look at your system saying, you know what? You have 10 different chairs. What's the inventory level of those? Let me look that up so it run through and take a look at each of them. Here's the summary of your chair inventory. So key observation, 8 out of 10 chairs have negative inventory, meaning that more have been sold, shipped than received. This could indicate pending purchase receipts that haven't been posted yet. Berlin guest chair is in best shape with 81 units on hand. Sydney swivel chair has 14 units on hand. The outstanding purchase order for all items, which should help replenish stocks. So we did a cycle count on the Munich chair, and inventory is actually actually 5. Please fix that. I'll adjust the Munich swivel chair inventory. The current inventory is minus 25, minus 27. So an agent is requesting permission to modify data in the item journal. Sure, we will allow that. I need to set it as a positive adjustment for item looking with a quantity of 32, going from minus 5 to minus 27 to 5. So if we take a look at that, we look at the journal, we can see that there is a positive adjustment added to the item journal, and I can go and post afterwards. That's how you can have an agent help you with your inventory. You can try this out using the link below in the sandbox. The app is free to use there. Thanks for watching.